Question number 1. Rimtalba Jean Emmanuel Ouedraogo has been appointed as the Prime Minister of which country? Option A. Burkina Faso. Option B. Ghana. Option C. Kenya. Option D. Nigeria. Correct answer. Option A. Burkina Faso. Explanation. Burkina Faso's military junta appointed Rimtalba Jean Emmanuel Ouedraogo as the new Prime Minister after dissolving the government without explanation. The junta, led by Ibrahim Traoré, dismissed former Prime Minister Apollinaire Joachim Kailim de Tambela via a presidential decree. The junta seized power in September 2022, ousting Limited. Colonel Paul-Henri Sandaogo Damiba, who had removed President Roch Marc Kabore earlier. Burkina Faso faces severe security challenges, with extremist attacks displacing over 2 million people and leaving half the territory outside government control. Question number 2. Where was the Rising Rajasthan Global Investment Summit 2024 organized? Option A. Jaisalmer. Option B. Jaipur. Option C. Udaipur. Option D. Jodhpur. Correct answer. Option B. Jaipur. Explanation. PM Narendra Modi inaugurated the Rising Rajasthan Global Investment Summit in Jaipur, showcasing Rajasthan as a key investment hub. Rajasthan, with its rich resources, heritage, and skilled youth, offers opportunities in infrastructure, manufacturing, and tourism. Rajasthan contributes 84,000 crore rupees in exports, supported by the Make in India initiative and MSME policies, strengthening its manufacturing sector. Rajasthan excels in renewable energy, mineral reserves, and unique cultural assets, enhancing tourism and economic growth. Initiatives like e-Visa, Udaan Yojana, and heritage tourism have transformed Rajasthan into a vibrant investment destination. Question number 3. What is the theme of India Internet Governance Forum 2024? Option A. Inclusive Internet for Digital India. Option B. Calibrating Bharat's Digital Agenda. Option C. Innovating Internet Governance for India. Option D. Leveraging Techade for Empowering Bharat. Correct answer. Option C. Innovating Internet Governance for India. Explanation. The India Internet Governance Forum 2024 was held on December 9 to 10 at Bharat Mandapam, New Delhi, supported by Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology and NICSI. The event, under the theme Innovating Internet Governance for India, focused on bridging the digital divide, trust, safety, and advanced technologies. India Internet Governance Forum, established in 2021 as the Indian chapter of the United Nations Internet Governance Forum, fosters multi-stakeholder dialogue on Internet policies. It promotes secure, inclusive, and ethically governed Internet practices while addressing challenges like cybersecurity, digital inclusion, and data privacy. The forum emphasizes collaborative policymaking for a secure and accessible digital future. Question number 4. Which day is observed as International Anti-Corruption Day every year? Option A. 7th December. Option B. 8th December. Option C. 9th December. Option D. 10th December. Correct answer. Option C. 9th December. Explanation. 9th December marks International Anti-Corruption Day to raise awareness about corruption and promote collective action against it. Corruption in India affects both public and private sectors, manifesting as bribery, embezzlement, nepotism, and misuse of power. It undermines economic growth, erodes public trust, weakens the rule of law, and impacts citizens' welfare. Transparency International's Corruption Perceptions Index ranks India 80th among 180 countries, highlighting the issue's seriousness. Question number 5. Which state government recently launched the Urajveer scheme to promote the energy-efficient appliances? Option A. Andhra Pradesh. Option B. Gujarat. Option C. Maharashtra. Option D. Karnataka. Correct answer, option A. Andhra Pradesh. Explanation: Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister Chandrababu Naidu launched the AP Urjaveer scheme to promote energy efficiency. The scheme trains 1,12,000 private electricians to handle energy-efficient appliances. A network of Urjaveer trained workers will promote 6 appliances: LED inverter lamps, LED tube lights, brushless direct current ceiling fans, 5-star air conditioners, induction stoves, and LED bulbs. The initiative aims to make energy conservation a lifestyle at the grassroots level. Energy Efficiency Services Limited and Andhra Pradesh will jointly run the National Efficient Cooking Program with the Women Development and Child Welfare Department.